Hello everyone! Tie a low ponytail out of the hair, now roll it upwards and then pin it up in place using a multiple prong decorative pin and push it through the side in order to do so. Add a rubber band at the end of the hair, push it downwards using a multiple prong pin. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now at the bottom, make two braids out of the hair and roll it up, pin it up in place. Now this is what the hair should look like. Add decorative pins on all three sides. Next, tie a low ponytail out of the hair and now divide the hair into three parts. Now after this, twist each of these sections and then roll it upwards and insert them into each of the levels of the hair. Add a rubber band to the end of the hair and then pin it up in place using a multiple prong pin. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now add a decorative clip on top of this. Before you do so, however, remove this clip, tie a low ponytail and then roll the hair upwards into a bun and now insert the clip in place. This is what the final look of the hair should look like. Next, we will start off by gathering all of the hair together, tie a high ponytail out of it. Now, make a small bun out of the hair and add a rubber band at the base of it. Add a rubber band at the bottom as well and then loop the hair around it. Now, add a decorative clip at the base of this. You may do this in different designs. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and now after this, lift this ponytail upwards and then insert this clip into place and twist it in place. Now, use a multiple prong pin in order to fasten the top of the hair into place. Tie a ponytail out of the hair, loosen it, and now roll the hair in on itself as such. Comb up the gaps that are present, add a rubber band to the bottom, roll it upwards, and then add a decorative clip to the top of it. You need to twist it in order to fasten it in its place. Divide the hair into two parts and then twist one section over the other as such. Lift it upwards, make it into a bun, and then, using this twistable clip, twist it in place. Next, tie a ponytail out of the hair and then make a small bun out of it as such. Add a rubber band around it and then add a rubber band around the rest of the hair as well. Tie it around it and then use a decorative clip on top of it. Next, take this bun clip and then afterwards, tie it around this hairstyle that you created, that is a ponytail. Now add another rubber band around this, gather all of the hair together and then twist it around as such. Afterwards, take a decorative clip and then insert it around it, fasten it around it rather. Next, we will start off by tying all of the hair together and then twist it around. After you have twisted it, lift it upwards and then make it into a bun, wrap it around and then adjust it as need be. Next, tie a low ponytail out of the hair and then afterwards we will add a rubber band in the middle section of this clip. Roll this upwards and then tie it up in place. Next, use this hair stick. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then wrap the hair around this hair stick. Make it into a bun as such, adjust the hair around it and now use a decorative multiple prong pin in order to fasten it in its place. Gather all of the hair together and now twist all of the hair around a finger and use a decorative clip in order to fasten it in its place as such. Next, tie a high ponytail out of the hair, insert a decorative hair twine into it and now wrap the hair around the hair twine as such. Add a rubber band around the bottom once you are done. Make a bun out of it and adjust it as need be. Next, take this retractable clip and now afterwards tie a ponytail out of the hair. Now twist one section over the other as such out of the ponytail after dividing it into two parts. Make it into a bun. Now use your retractable clip around it as such. Thank you for watching.